shotgun in here. That's all.
What Goldie like that?
Are you in tan?
What?
Are you in tan building?
No, I'm behind you.
I saw a zombie.
I just see a guy in there. I just seen a guy in there.
Yeah,
He's walking there. I'm coming to the side door right now.
I hit one. There's two.
Yeah, it sounded really weird, Golden.
You got him?
Shoot.
I see you. I'm right behind you. You get him?
Shot two of them. The other one went upstairs. Go up there. If you can. I gotta reload. Kill one.
I missed. He is an ad.
They said that they're fully looted.
Oh shit, someone's shooting.
I think he's trying to hit me.
I gotta reload. Hold up.
Here, hold up. Fuck. I hit him.
Here, watch out. Hit him again.
Can't even load.
Hit him again.
Yo, let's mess.
Yes, I'm really
Yo,
all this stuff.
How you doing?
Are they allowed to just put ads in my videos?
Hello.
I've seen. We're not in the bitch.
What should we do with him?
How many rounds did you waste, buddy? Like 90? Shot like 90 rounds.
Something around that.
Shot like 90.
Oh, like something around that area.
Hey, motherfucker. Yo, so guys, it's Golden. Before you guys actually watch the next part of this video, I just want to explain why my voice sounds a little bit different in this video and why there's a slur. So basically, I went to the orthodontist before this video, or before I recorded this, and I had to get a retainer fixed, so that caused the slur, my voice sounding a little bit different. That's the only reason why. I watched the video back. I'm like, dang, you can really tell that my voice is really different. I thought you were going to be able to tell that much, but I'm sorry about that. Basically, what happened was we saw these guys on top apartments. Now, I didn't show you guys that because my friend actually had his mom talking to him and stuff. It was all chaos. But we actually followed him, and we lost him in the beginning, and then we found him back in these at this greenhouse, and we just killed him. And the next part you guys are going to see is actually pretty funny. It's some Bambies, and we run into some Bambies. And we have a high-speed chase, and it's really funny. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, guys. Subscribe. That always helps out. I really want to start posting more DayZ. Even if I don't get 100 views or as much views on my videos. Hopefully you guys do enjoy the DayZ videos. I'm going to start improving the quality, improving the videos, and just having more fun in DayZ so it can, be better videos. So leave a like, subscribe, guys, and I'll talk to you guys later. All my ammo's like disappearing. Oh, here we go.
Dude, there's a player around us.
Where?
So, I don't know. There's an aggro zombie, and
Where you at?
someone killed it. I'm behind the 10 house, like where the corners meet. I see the zombie. It's coming towards 10. It's going towards 10. Right here. It's in the building. It's coming towards us now. It wasn't on us a minute ago. Kill it. Alright, I got it.
I hear no one. Okay, I'll check in here. Were those our guys or no?
What?
Are those the guys we saw or no?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Where's this other zombie at? It's hitting someone. You hear it? It's getting further away. Where you at?
I'm over by the train tracks. I hear it over here. I don't know where it's at.
I see him at the Bambi.
It is?
Yeah. Two of them. Get on the fucking ground! Get on the fucking ground right now!
Dude, don't kill him before I get there.
Oh, guys. Get on the ground. We're friendly. Get on the ground.
Hey, get on the ground, bro. Get on the ground. We're friendly. We're friendly, bro.
Get on the ground. We're friendly, I swear. We'll give you some shit. You guys need anything? Why are you still running, guys? You really shouldn't be running.
Where are they running? Which way are they running? I'll cut them off.
Why are y'all running? Like, honestly, we're not gonna kill y'all.
Where they at?
I'm on
Which way are
main
they
road,
running?
leaving the town.
Leaving the town
Whoa,
towards that.
whoa. Hey, get on the ground.
Get on the ground, guys. It's safe.
We're friendly, bro.
It's safe, man. I swear. Look, if you didn't think it was safe, we would have shown you already. How do you not understand it?
I'm sorry.
We just killed two guys, and you guys can have the loot. Unless this is
Don't
the
give
same
them
guy.
the loot. Don't give them
Not
the
really.
loot. I need that loot. Did they have a gun?
No.
shotgun. Just a shotgun there.
Is it ruined?
Let's watch how long. Let's see how long it takes them to keep running. Oh shit, zombie.
Are we following
Are
them?
they? Are
Where
they?
you at, Gordon?
Alright, we're here.
Which way did they leave town?
Pussies.
I'm following them, dude.
I'm trying to get that zombie back.
Which way did they leave in town at, Golden?
Golden, turn around. Yeah, just keep following him, actually.
Which way are you guys going?
I'm
Oh,
going
right,
into
right,
actual
up
bears
in
in
the-
it.
yeah.
Towards like factories where they run?
You know where they went?
They went on the road somewhere. I don't know where. Oh, yeah,
Just
I
turn
see
around.
them.
Turn
I
around.
see 'em.
Or I got the zombie, actually.
They have a bunch of zombies after them. Get on the ground!
Get on, like, kill the zombies for him. See what they'll do. Come here! Come here! Want a treat?
High speed chase. Wee you wee! Oh, they're going in top apartments.
No, don't go up there. They're gonna try to knock you out.
I'm going up there, dude. Fuck them.
No, dude, they're gonna try. They're gonna knock you out, and they're just gonna. Dude, don't go up there. Or yeah, catch one ladder. Catch one ladder. Catch one ladder.
This is a zombie falling.
Bag.
Move out of the way, zombie.
Bag. Pick whoop. Alright, so
Where
you
they
think
at?
I'll be able to cut them
Bye
off?
bye! Got one.
I'll let you get that one.
Catch the other one alive.
There's a zombie up here, though. It hit me.
Why'd you just kill the fresh spawn, asshole?
We're trying to be friendly, but you guys are.
You guys won't stop. If you would have stopped, he would have been alive right now and having loot.
You have a gun, bro.
Could have had loot,
Your
but you
point
chose
is?
not to.
Bro, we're fucking fresh spawn, dude.
Could have had loot, bro. Shouldn't have ever run.
You guys were a threat to us.
I'm going up there, dude. Fuck it.
Say they could.
Fucking
You
cut
could have gotten free ends.
I'm up here. Tower, get up here.
I'm not even. You on top?
Yeah.
You
See out
fucked with
there?
the wrong nigga now. You fucked with the wrong nigga now. Stop being a. No, I'm fucking hitting him. He's a bitch.
I need to come up there.
You fucked with the wrong nigga now.
Come on.
Stop fucking with the wrong nigga.
You gonna be able to get him?
This is what happens when you fucking shot town, bro.
I'm trying. It's kind of hard because I'm lagging.
Can't handle the drugs. Don't get in the
Alright,
business.
come on.
I hit him again.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Bye
Fucking
bye.
retarded, dude.
Why don't you just knock him out?
Extra 21st chromosome or some shit. Oh shit, he's hit me with a sledgehammer because he can't fight me with his fist because he's a bitch. You're cool, you can kill fresh.
I'm coming up.
Bye bye. There. You dead as hell.
Are you guys in actual bears?
You killed him?
Yeah, I killed him.
Oh, what the fuck? I just got up there. You dead as hell.
Our fucking guy's up right now. I have no ammo though.
Really? I can give you a little bit. We need to start looting houses. Let's go to the town up above this. Start looting a little bit.
Are you guys at actual Virginia? Or are you guys going to the town
we're
with
going
Christmas
to
tree?
we're going to actual. We're going to town Christmas tree.
Alright. I'll meet you there.
You should not have ran, bro. He was getting all pissed like we weren't gonna kill him when they were running, dude.
That's
Ooh,
6 shots.
6 shots, baby. I need food.
Alright, well, I got some cereal I'm about to eat, but.
Alright, let's go visit some of these towns up here.